I'm out here at H2Oi, Ocean City, but right now I'm in Delaware. I'm like a few miles from Riverboat Beach. Sun is setting, September 27th. It's probably about 6 o'clock right now. The last time I came here, I had the G25 sitting right here. Well, actually, I had the G25 on the sand, kind of. But this time, I didn't want to get stuck. I got stuck last time, but I had to pay $10 to get up in here. I only wanted to stay here like maybe an hour or so. But the minimum you can stay is, well, they give you a $10 pass for one day. And they have a kiosk set up over there on the other side of the bathhouse. They didn't have one 2 years ago when I came here. So I guess the state was finding out people were coming here and parking and enjoying the beach, so they decided that the city or the county needed to get their money. But I got like a new setup for the video. I got my 4K camera, bought me a tripod yesterday. Your boy looking kind of professional right now. Looking kind of professional. Probably want to get a DSLR soon or something like that. But that camera can take still pictures. Right now I got it set on 1080p, 60 frames per second. So I got the highest quality for the 1080. But didn't want to go to 4K because I only got 32 gigs in the memory card, and you know, the higher quality, the more memory it uses. So you know, I got the Q50 looking like spiffy. It's probably state police right there. But yeah, check this out. Got the sunset. I'm probably on the wrong part of the parking lot, but check it out. This year I even got a little drone. Got my little DJI Spark in there. Try to get a little rollers in this parking lot if I can figure out how to use it. Want to get the drone in the follow me mode and just practice here in this parking lot. I got the ticket, so I can stay here. I'm not going to do any shenanigans or mess around or nothing to get kicked out or nothing, but hopefully the police come and see me riding around. I have a ticket. I'll just tell them that I'm doing some filming here, so hopefully, you know, they won't give me too much grief. But take a little pictures here of the car right here. Probably go over to that bathhouse, maybe to that tower, and gotta work quickly. Then I'm gonna do the drone and probably get some shots of the ocean and whatnot.